Okay, welcome to another fix-it that fell on the house. And we borrowed a tool to use it to cut the tree up, and the tool is messed up. So, perfect time for a video to show you guys how to fix it. So first thing was, and this is a worm drive skill saw, the button to lock the blade in place, which is over on this side. Here it is right here. And it didn't really lock the blade in place, and it didn't really move, it was stuck. So I unscrewed this piece, took the spring in this out and cleaned it out in there, and then sprayed it, lubed it up, pushed it back in, and now it works again. Well, it's got to be in a certain spot to lock in. There we go. See? Locks in, and then the blade doesn't move. It's hard to do with one hand, but you get the idea. So that was good. Fixed it. Now comes to another problem. Looks like this was added in there. So we come to this, and I've already taken it apart a little bit, but I went to plug it in, and I noticed that this pin is moving all around. So that's no good. And it wouldn't really turn on, so I opened it up, and here we are. This came undone. So we're just gonna unscrew these three, take this out, and then clean this off and screw it back into this piece here and make it tight, clean all this off, put it back together, and we'll be ready to run it. So here we go. Alright, so just unscrews, and then this pulls down, and then you're inside. So that's why it's all loose, is because this isn't screwed onto anything. And the other two look like they are. It's really bright right there. So all you need to do is just push that in there through a little slot, and then tighten these down, and then put it all back together, and you should be good. Alright, so make sure you push the wire all the way through this, all the way in to where it goes to the other side, so that when you screw this, tighten the screw and smash it, it has a good connection and doesn't slip out when the cord moves around. Alright, so I pushed this cap back onto this, screwed these in, tightening all down, no more wiggly wobbly. And now you got to make sure that this doesn't slide out. So we're gonna push this piece. Hold on. Alright, just gonna push that in there like that. And then this will push against it, and on the other side it'll push against this, And we'll tighten it tight so it'll keep this from sliding back and forth inside here, which will make those components in there all loose again. And that's no good. Alright, so it's all in there, pushed in, and holding it all together, then just tighten it. Alright, so I tightened it real nice and tight, so this isn't going anywhere. The cord isn't moving anymore. It's not all wobbly. And now I'm just gonna get a wire brush and wire brush this all down so it's not black and burnt. Looks like it was plugged in when that connection got severed last, and then just kind of almost caught fire. Alright, be right back. I'll just get a little brush like that and just see how much better that is already. Compare it, see how black it is on the side. Look at that. You gotta get that stuff off so you can get a good connection. So just go ahead and go at it with your little file here and you'll be good to go. Alright. Pretty nice and shiny for the most part. Couldn't really get in there. I'll get a little rag and get that real quick. Alright, there it is. Now we'll plug it in, see if it works. Alright, we have it plugged in. Perfect. Alright. And that was a Skilsaw worm drive. Old school. Alright, thanks for watching another Fix It.